Hello, my name's Charles Delastic. I am the Managing Director of Bluebond Tax Planning. I've been an inheritance tax specialist for more than 18 years and have helped hundreds of clients save millions of pounds on their estate planning and inheritance tax planning. So today's video is around the question of, will I have to pay inheritance tax if I live abroad? So today's video is around the question of, will I have to pay inheritance tax if I live abroad? Well, the payment of inheritance tax depends very much upon your situation. Now, if you are UK domiciled, now usually if you're born in the UK, you are UK domiciled, right? You must pay inheritance tax on your worldwide assets when you die, regardless of where you live. So that's really important, regardless of where you live. Now, you still get all the usual allowances for inheritance tax, your £325,000 allowance, your £175,000 residential new rate band allowance. You get those allowances, but irrelevant where you live, your worldwide assets are subject to your inheritance tax, and that never stops. Okay, now this surprises many people who have lived abroad for many years. Now, tax residency aligns with income tax and capital gains tax. So where you live is tax residency, and that's income tax and capital gains tax. But your domicile determines inheritance tax. Now, it is possible to sever your UK domicile. However, it's a complex process, right? So you have to fill in a form, write off to HMRC. You have to sever all links with HMRC, with the UK. You can't have any assets in the UK. You can't have a UK passport. You must acquire a separate domicile of choice, right? So a passport somewhere else. And then you have to also give up your UK passport. So sever all ties. So there is an example of somebody who did all of this, but in their will, they said, oh, I want to be buried next to my previous spouse, right? But she was buried in Surrey. So they charged him the inheritance tax when he died. So unfortunately, when you go to sever your domicile with the UK, HMRC will not confirm whether your application has been successful. They won't tell you until you die. But of course, it's too late then if you died, and then they say, okay, sorry, we don't believe your domicile was severed. The tax is payable, right? It's too late. So wherever you live, whether you're a tax resident, whether you're domiciled, if you have assets in the UK, all assets held in the UK are subject to UK inheritance tax. Now, you still get allowances, but they are subject to UK inheritance tax. So you're not domiciled in the UK, you don't live in the UK, but you own assets in the UK. Most people, that's usually property. They will be subject to UK inheritance tax, irrelevant of your domicile and your tax status. So this can be quite a complex scenario. Again, like everything to do with inheritance tax, make sure you get good experienced advice and call us if you can help. If you enjoyed that video, give us a thumbs up and a like. Thanks for listening. Bye for now. Bye.